How to transfer your data and set up your new iPhone. If you've got a new iPhone and want to transfer your data easily, using an iCloud backup is one of the most convenient methods, especially if you no longer have your old iPhone in hand. To get started, make sure that your previous iPhone had iCloud backup turned on and that a recent backup was created. You can check this by going to Settings, Your Name, iCloud Backup on your old device. Also, make sure you know your Apple ID and password, since you'll need it during setup. Now, turn on your new iPhone and follow the on-screen setup prompts until you reach the Apps and Data screen. At that point, tap Restore from iCloud Backup. Sign in with your Apple ID and select the most recent backup from your previous device. Once selected, the restore process will begin. A loading bar will appear as your iPhone starts downloading the data. This may take some time depending on the size of your backup and your Wi-Fi speed. During this process, you may also be prompted to set up essential services like cellular access or an eSIM. Once everything is restored, your new iPhone will reboot and be ready to use. Keep in mind that apps, photos, and other content may continue to download in the background for a while after setup is complete. And that's it, your new iPhone is now loaded with all your data, just like your old one. If this video helped you, be sure to like and subscribe for more Apple how-to guides.